Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're going to break down the world of investing and show you exactly how you can get your money to start working for you. So, let's jump right in.
It's really the big question, isn't it? You work hard for your money, but how do you make it grow all on its own? Well, the answer isn't just about saving. It's all about the incredible power of investing.
So, what does investment even mean? You know, at its core, it's pretty simple. It's just using your money to buy something that you hope will be worth more down the road. It's about planting a seed today so you can have a bigger tree tomorrow.
And before we get into all the different ways you can invest, just want to say welcome to another video on investment basics by Mr. Majid Butt, who is an accountant, a software programmer, and an investment researcher. Okay, with that foundation laid, let's get into it.
First up, let's talk about the classics. These are the traditional ways people have been investing for a long, long time. Think of them as the tried and true bedrock of the financial world.
You've got stocks, which is basically owning a tiny slice of a company. Then you have bonds, where you're kind of like the bank. You're loaning money to a government or a big company, and they pay you back with interest. And then there are funds, which are like a pre-made basket full of different stocks or bonds, which makes getting started way easier.
Now, speaking of funds, they come in two main flavors. You've got mutual funds, where a pro is actively trying to pick the best investments to beat the market. On the other hand, you have index funds, which are more laid back. They just try to match the performance of a big market index, like the S&P 500.
Okay, let's step away from the paper assets and into the physical world. We're talking about investments that you can literally see and touch. Stuff that has a real-world presence.
This, of course, includes real estate, land, houses, office buildings. Then you've got commodities, which are the raw materials that make the world go round, like gold or oil. And hey, don't forget about collectibles. That old comic book or baseball card gathering dust, it could actually be a pretty serious investment.
All right, for our final category, we're jumping into the digital frontier. This is where technology is creating brand new ways to think about value, and it's totally changing the game.
And the star of this new frontier is, of course, cryptocurrency. It's digital money that's secured using some really complex math and lives on something called the blockchain. You can use it to buy things or just hold on to it, hoping its value goes up. So how do you even get involved? Well, first you acquire the coins or tokens. From there, you can use them for transactions. Or, and this is pretty cool, you can stake them, which basically means you lock them up to help keep the network secure and you earn rewards for doing it.
Phew. Okay, so you've got stocks, bonds, real estate, crypto, all these different options. It's a lot to take in, right? So the big question is, what's the next step?
Well, your next step is to dive deeper than just the basics. For that, you can subscribe to my membership. You'll get access to exclusive videos where we do a deep analysis of the financial statements of public companies listed on stock exchanges all over the world. This is the kind of in-depth stuff you just won't find anywhere else. Thanks so much for watching.